Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Tangle Teacher, and I'm doing some remakes of some of my videos. Oh, and I looked at my very first video called Oh Well, and I thought, I'm surprised anybody ever watches it. The camera is poor and it's just a poor video. So I'm going to do a remake. This is Oh Well, and it was a pattern I developed after watching Helen Williams on A Little Lime, and she had done a freehand well, and this just ended up what happened when I misdrew it when I was trying to think of it when I was at church. So we start out, I've got my tile, and so I'm just going to do freehand, and we're going to start with A. And I just realized I have a brown pen in my hand instead of a black. So we'll go ahead and do it with this brown pen. So I make this little shape, and I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see. This little shape is what I make to begin with, and then so I'll make a round circle, and then it comes down and touches that one, and make a little round circle again. And then I fill in those two little, so I've got these two kind of C shapes, and then it has a cap that goes over the top and one at the bottom, and that's my basic shape for Oh Well. And then I'm just going to add to it, so I'm going to do another circle. It's going to come down and touch, and I'm going to do another circle. Then I immediately color in these two. Then I will make the cap over this, and then I will just do another one. So here's the circle. It's going to come down and touch that one. I really never know what size it's going to be. Then it's going to have a little cap over the top. We can do another one. Comes down and touches. Then I like to color in those right away, and then do my cap. And I'm going to stop here and do my little fill-ins. So then I fill in this little cap spot, and I'm just going to draw a line that repeat, just echo each other down in to the center. And I'll do the same here. And I will repeat that on all those little capped spaces. And there we have this Oh Well. And you can come back in and add, oh, I've got one right here. I almost missed it. The other side of this one is kind of captivated in. And sometimes that happens. You just don't see them all. There it is. And you can just do one that's just freehanding out here. Do my little circle. Then it has a little round, like that. And then color in these little dots. I do that because I like the drama that happens. Then cap over. And I just make them so they intertwined and touch each other. It's a very fun tangle to do. And then draw my lines so they come down in. We could add, I'm going to switch over to a black pen, and just add a few black ones in here. So there's one half. Here's the other half. The little cap. And then the lines. This is going to do a little holly bow underneath. Holly bow means draw under. So you can see you can get a lot, and I could even connect one here to that cap. And draw my and they just intertwine with each other. This one I did some little circles. I am famous for circles at my class, and so just little circles to embellish it. And of course, it wouldn't be a tangle without some shading. So I am going to use a terracotta colored pencil. And I'm just going to shade in here. Just right in the base, and then take some odorless paint thinner, dip my tourmaline in the odorless paint thinner, and then blend this out. That blends out just like graphite when that is. And at first you might have a little wet mark, but it will dry, and that just softens that wax and pigment in the pen. And there you have some shading. And I could shade my black, but there you go. That's Oh Well, and a remake of Oh Well. And I did it in 2005, and it's a great tangle, freehand, lots of fun to do, and I hope you enjoy the remakes I'm doing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.